I was diagnosed with MVR and I was advised to get it surgically done ASAP because it's not done in Fiji. So my condition wasn't that good. Straight away they never let us wait. They straight away bring us to the hospital. Their best team ever of Medivisor. Hello, my name is Ranjan Chand. I'm from Fiji Islands. I was diagnosed with a mitral valve replacement, and in Lautoka itself in Aspen I was diagnosed by the doctors, and I was advised to get it surgically done ASAP because it's not done in Fiji itself. Since I was insured with BSP insurance, and they covered most of the parts of the body for the any kind of disease, surgery and surgical stuff. Then from there itself, when we contacted BSP contacted Medivisor team. Medivisor team is a very good team. I came through them to Singapore, then from Singapore then to India, and they guided me all the way. Then in India when we landed, Mr. Rohit was there from Medivisor team who met us, greeted us with flowers, and straight away, since my condition wasn't that good, straight away they never let us wait. They straight away bring us to the hospital for the further process. When we came to the hospital, Dr. Vaibhav and their team were very polite, very good. They diagnosed everything up again. They checked everything up, and after few hours then my surgery started straight away. My heart valve replacement and repair took almost 8 hours, and it was a very long surgery for them also, but they were their best and they did their best. I recovered. You can see I'm just sitting here and giving you people an advice. Whoever sees this, please select BSP insurance, select Medivisor, and select a good team in India through Medivisor and BSP so they can get your life back from where you are today. I'm very thankful for everybody here. Medivisor team were all the way helping us. They never begged us off. Every hour, almost every day, I can say in twice in a day, they visited us, they spoke to us on the phone, talked to us if we needed anything. My wife needed anything, my wife came along with me, Nilafan Asbi, and she helped me along the way. Without her support, I wouldn't be here. I'd like to thank her as well. The insurance coverage through BSP was the best, and I recommend everybody, please select BSP. Thanks again to the BSP team, and please choose Medivisor so that you can have a better future in your life. For your children, for your family, everybody, your friends, they need you and you need the best care itself. So please choose BSP through Medivisor. And Ranveer, Rohit, all these people are their best team ever of Medivisor. And I'm sitting here as I have said, you can see this is the best I can give you. So please select BSP insurance. They go through Medivisor, and Medivisor is the best team for you for a longer life and for a better future. Thank you.